Hi and welcome back, iTechnology lovers. Today we got a special case from Segotep Warship EVO. So it's a special case, it's a gaming case. You gamers must watch this review because we will do an unboxing to this case. We're gonna tell you the pros and cons for this case, and you will see if it's worth for buying this case. So let's unbox it and let's see it. I managed to take a look to this case, and let's take the box out. Now let's remove this plastic covers. Okay, let's remove all the protective cover. So the case looks good. It has some nice rubber on the bottom side, and what I like in particular about this case, the first look is the design. Is this awesome spaceship design, alien I would say, and it's in the middle tower section, but at the structure size and the case size, it fits 485 millimeters by 205 millimeters by 500 millimeters. So it's a big case. It's a high tower case, I say, by the dimensions. What I'm impressed with this case is that here inside we have this panel, and it has two USB 3.0 and two USB 2.0, and these switches for controlling the speed of the fans. All the main boards have speed for controlling your fans electronically from your Windows, but if you want a manual thing, you can use these switches. I think they are very cool because this case has exactly 3 fans, 120 millimeter fans, one here, one it's in the front here, and it's red. You'll see we'll build this computer with ASUS Extreme Rampage mainboard. We will use Intel 5820K. So please watch the link at the ending of this review for watching a tutorial how to build your own super PC, supercomputer, overclocked and anything. To access the DVD writer or the card reader, or I don't think anyone will use floppy disk anymore, you got to slide this part of the case. So now you have access to and this is a con for this case, it has only one DVD writer. It will be nice for this part to slide down instead of flipping like this. It's my opinion. And it has just for one memory card, but if you saw here in the front, it has two for micro SD and SD cards. So it's pretty cool, but I don't think it's a 3.0 version. We will test and we'll announce you guys when we will build the computer with the Asus and the Intel i7. Okay, on this side you have a transparent plexiglass, and I think it's a plexiglass, it's a plastic in any case. Okay, and you have drivers for 5.25 inch one piece, 4 hard disks of 3.5 inch, and you can put 3 2.inch SSDs. You will see immediately we'll take this part off, and you got a single slot without converting that 4 hard disk to 3 CCDs. The producer says on the box that you have just one USB 3.0, but I show you in the front panel you will have 2 3.0 USBs and 2 pieces of 2.0 USB and a HD audio. At the PCIe socket you can put 7 PCI sockets here, the main board, the graphics card, or some other USBs or something. And the source, if you notice, you will put it here. It's on the bottom side, not on the top side. But with all the fans, I think you have a ventilated case, and it's extraordinary. Let's take out this side, and I want to show you inside the case. Okay, so inside the case we have two fans, the two fans I was talking about here. This fan, it's for if you are using here the CPU unit with a radiator, and you got to have one fan for the CPU, and this other fan will take the heat out from the case. This is the 12 volts connector, and this is the connector for these switches here for the high, low and middle, the 3 position setting speed fans. Okay, let's move on. I found useful these plastics because you put your hard disk here and you push it and it blocks, so you don't have screws anymore, even at the DVD writer if you are using. You probably ask me, why do you have two DVD writers if you have just one port in the front? So here I think this is the bad thing, the con for this case. The producer had to put minimum 2 optical disk drives in this case, and you're probably wondering why are these 2 blocks, because I told you this case doesn't have screws anymore, and I want to show you. In the bottom side you will got to put a Blu-ray writer or a DVD writer, and in the top side you got to put, if you are using for example a water cooling solution for a CPU, you will put it here on the top side of this case. So now if we will remove the front side, I want to show you, if you want to use, this is the power fan illuminated with red. It will show you, it's mind-blowing to see on that radiator side that red, because it will look like a spaceship. It will be very, very fun. I like this on this case. I like that it's big, but you know, I want to tell you an important thing. It's big, no one denies this, but you see here the producer put 4 plastic holders just to enlarge the case. Here on the bottom side where you put your source, this is the bottom side, we have filters. So we have filters here, and we have a filter, let me put this back, on the case on this side. This is a filter, this is a special filter for dust. We have another filter, almost a filter here, and here you will not need a filter because the air it's evacuated in this direction to outside, from inside to outside. Another thing what I like about this case is that you can put your entire wires. You have enough space on this side, on the right side of the case, and you will put your whole wires for on this right side, and you will not have problems with a lot of wires bothering you. The weight is light, is not very heavy, and the steel inside is black and it's hard. It's not that soft like other cases. Are quality materials, even the plastic, its quality is not bending, but you will have to be aware and be very gentle with this plastic, because this plastic inside is the only plastic that is thinner than others plastics. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This is the Segotep Warship EVO. This is a futuristic case. It's an amazing gaming case for you gamers, or in our case for video processing. If you have comments, comment below. Don't forget to subscribe guys, and thumbs up for this review if you like it. Thank you for watching. See you. You got to love technology, because technology is part of our lives. See you guys. Bye.